Hi guys, good afternoon. Time check, it's nearly 5:30. So meet up naman is 5:30. Medyo late ko gamay kay actually may meet katuan pa kami kay na then may gaskaso. Going to Bohol ko subong. May another schedule sa semifinals ang Sangguniang Kabataan Basketball Tournament 2024. So masakay lang ko tricycle going to Sapod ko. Two games karon guys ang semifinals nila dito sa ilang Sangguniang Kabataan Basketball Tournament. So see you later guys. Hi guys. Ari kami gwapo ko nga amigo. Going kan kami guys, barangay Ball na. Nagapit may gamitan tong dalawa. So dito maulap dyan.
May nainay lang ka pa, kuhan ka maapas lang sila.
Okay. Ay nainay lang daw tong dalawa. Nainay lang kami ya.
Nakal na video. Sinabi ani hey. Sabi mo sana. Lumabi ng hey.
So ari na kami guys sa barangay Boal Gym. And so nakita nyo naman kagabi ang ilang basketball court. And dito kami guys sa lamisa. Amo ning stand ko para pang vlog karon sa ilang game. Barangay officials. Ano?
MVP.
MVP. So, wala pa man nag-start guys Ano ilang gym. See you later guys sa game. Ano yung flavor nito te? Ito.
Nandiyan ho sa taas yung pangalan niya.
Okay. Ayun, grapes. Ano isa? Yung blue ice? Blue ice, pineapple, and then red iced tea. Tapos, lagyan mo lang ng tubig. Yun. First time ko guys nakakita ng ganito Dito lang yan sa may barangay Boal. Meron din silang tawag nito. Ang tawag nito te? Popcorn. Magkano yung popcorn mo te? 5. Kwek. Siguro rin. Then hot cake. May hot cake sila. Then mga sauce na to te.
Kompleto na yan.
Sa ate Ano yan bebe? Patingin bebe? Okay. Good. Dito lang yan guys sa barangay Boal. Yan.
Okay. Once again, good evening, everyone. This is the semi-final round, the third match. The semi-final round sa Gunayang Kapitan Basketball Tournament. Purok 3 versus Purok Science. And the referees for this match, the coach of Marcol Balayon, umpire 1, Mercado, and umpire 2, Victorio. And here are the starters of both teams. First, for the Purok 3, jersey number 27, Ali. Jersey number 6, Baluno. Jersey number 72, Kaptig. Jersey number 4, Mukhalid. And jersey number 7, Maluna. For the Purok Science starters. Jersey number 1, Manipon. Jersey number 14, Mamantal. Jersey number 11, Manidas. Jersey number 8, Makatua. And jersey number 11, Almak.
So guys, bago na natapos ang second game. Shoutout. And kaon na kami guys sa gawas. Okay, ang second game is DB Farm against Purok 1. So the first game daw guys, ang Purok 3 sa score nga 69-54. Dito Dan? Ay, okay. Okay. Sakay na lang kami tricycle kay makaon kami. Shoutout be! Then? Ano na sila? Team?
Mr. MVP yan, Mr. MVP.
Sino? Ito. Mr. MVP. See you later guys. So guys, diri kami makaon.
Kuya.
Ari si Master The Great sang SBP Isulan. Ari siyang call, shoutout na call be. Namit ang sudan naman guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo sudan naman. Dinosaur with giraffe. Para guys, so dinosaur. Ano bangos?
Bangus at saka.
Ano yung isa?
Bangus kag bangis ah.
Bangos kag bangis. So makaon kami anay guys Karon naman.
Oh. Kali kami ah.
Up. So, sige, shoutout. Sige na, shoutout na. Mapasok na ako. Yan, naman yung itong labas. Naman yung ghost ng kan guys. Hello po. Yan. May sound na business load guys. Basin makapiright ko. So, drill ako sa gawas. Second game subong is DB Farm against Purok 1. See you later guys, right after the game.
Yan? Purok 3.
Okay, once again, good evening, everyone. This is our second match for tonight. Played between Purok 1 against DB Farm. The referees for this match is the coach of Mercado. Umpire 1, Uncle Balayon, and umpire 2, Victoria. And here are the starters of both teams. First, for the Torocono, jersey number 21, Madavicho. Jersey number 1, Bandan. Jersey number 11, Bandan. Jersey number 17, Gaya. And jersey number 8, Balangulong. For the DB Farm starters, jersey number 5, Mangilin. Jersey number 16, Mangilin. Jersey number 10, Gani. Jersey number 13, Lasib. And jersey number 18, Kendall.
So yun guys, tapos na game. 2 games. First game, Purok 3 against Purok 6. Score na 69-54. And second game is DB Farm against Purok 1 sa score na 66-61. And shout out sa Barangay Government of Barangay Boal, headed by Honorable Nasrullah Alamada, the Honorable Barangay Chairman, and also the Sangguniang Kabataan Chairperson, Honorable Bin Buds Galmak. See you later, guys. Uli na kami, guys.
Uli na kami, sakay na kami sa among baroto.
Hindi na kami matokal.
Doon na kami sa among nga balay.
Mamabuli na
Doon
kami.
na kami, araw mga manisan.
Manisan. Hi, good evening.
Bye-bye mga manisan.